Hey Nebraska, my name is Chris Cantrell. I'm the State Fire Marshal and Chief Boiler Inspector. Today we're releasing two new videos about the boiler inspection program. One is the boiler installation notice form tutorial and the other is the boiler clearance waiver request tutorial. I hope you take a couple minutes, watch these videos, learn from them, and then by doing so, you'll be able to submit these forms more easily and more efficiently, and then down the road, we'll have fewer violations written on these two very important topics in Nebraska. So please watch the videos, give us feedback if you have any, and learn something new. Be safe, Nebraska. Okay, let's talk about the clearance waiver request form. Just really quick, in 2016, Nebraska did change the code to allow or require 3 feet of clearance all around boilers and pressure vessels. We understood, though, that replacement items may not be able to meet this, so we developed our clearance waiver request form. In that form, the installer has to seek permission from the owner of the unit, the insurance company that insures the unit, and then finally from the chief boiler inspector. And this form has to be submitted for every boiler that's not going to meet the 3-foot clearance requirement. And it must be submitted prior to the unit being installed or ready for inspection. Otherwise, it may have to be removed and reinstalled, which is not good. To find this form, again, go to sfm.nebraska.gov. Once that page opens, click on Divisions, then on Mechanical Safety. Once the mechanical safety page opens, scroll down a little bit and find the clearance waiver request link. When that clearance waiver request link opens, you'll notice that there are a lot of items that are required in order to submit this form. A lot of this is the same as the boiler installation form, but there are 3 items that are needed in order for you to submit the form successfully. You'll need a file that contains the email or written verification that the owner has been notified. You'll need the same thing for the insurance company, and you'll need an overhead view, print, sketch, or blueprint of the proposed installation that shows where the clearances are and how they're going to be met, and everything that the chief inspector will need in order to be able to assess and then approve or reject the clearance waiver request. Again, we're not going to go through the entire form. We just don't have time to do that today. But I did want to let people know how to find the form and just some of the tips and tricks on how to get the form issued. As with the boiler installation form, we do allow you to click a button towards the end of the form and say you want to receive a copy. That way you can have the same copy that we get here at the State Fire Marshal's office. If you ever have any questions, give us a call, 402-471-2027. Otherwise, be safe, Nebraska.